Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Mercy Tiara Kit Club, and I am using this Outdoorsy kit that is so incredibly cute. I have got things from Cartabella here, there, everywhere. I have Simple Stories Boho Sunshine. I have Simple Stories Trail Mix. Is that the 3 collections in this kit? I think so. Guys, it is so darn cute. So I have been looking at this trail mix collection and I've got to use it. This piece of paper I think is so cute and so clever with all the little streets, or I guess the roads going through the mountains and all that. I think that's super cute, right? And the backside is a wood grain. This one is this gorgeous, like mustard golden tone that I think is great. This is amazing. And then we've got this one, which is Field Notes. And I think this is amazing. So I have all of these things that I am loving, right? Let me show you the photo. This is my daughter, Shay, and she is hiking in the mountains of Colorado. I thought that would be perfect for this. And she's sending me a cute little selfie of her trip. So this is where I am so far. This, I believe, is going to be my background, right? I have some ideas. I don't even really know where they're going. I just thought I would go with the flow. I have this. Oh, and I'll map my photo with a piece of scrap cardstock that I'll have handy dandy. Now, this piece here, let's see. I was thinking, all right, this is really bold and really busy, right? And I know this is technically busy, but it's just not busy for me because, you know, I like all of the things. So I thought, why don't I just get a nice little tear going, right, with this? Because believe it or not, to me, this is just a little bit calmer this side. Not calm for some people. I said for me, I get that. All right, so I have this, right? And I thought if I had this here, might need to chop off a little bit of the branding strip. Let's see, is it gonna line up right? Maybe I should have done that first. I don't know. We're not gonna worry about it now. So we have that. And I was like, all right, so that calms that down. And we have that so we can really see her. I have this, I think that's gonna be too much. Then I have this, right? And you're like, all right, please tell me you're not gonna use this too. Oh, but wait, I will. So I was thinking of grabbing 3 to 5 of these things that I like and cutting out the cute little things. So let's see. I want to do like what she would actually do. She did do a rafting trip when she was there. So my idea is to kind of tell, oh, and she would wear boots. She is not going to go camping there though. That is not her jam. Let's see. Oh, the tackle box is hilarious, but she's not going to go fishing. I just love the tackle box. A coffee she would definitely do. So this is what I was thinking. I have those pieces, right? I have this here. My photo will have some nice white cardstock, so it will, you know, brighten that part up. But then I was thinking about putting, oh, I think I'm going to do 3. 3 of these pieces kind of for like embellishment cluster kind of somethings. So let's see. I like coffee. The only reason I'm not grabbing it is I kind of want to save some of this paper because I love it so much. So let me see. Butterfly is cute. The art, that archery thing is so cute. Target, yes. Canoe. She did rafting. She did not do canoeing. She would do coffee. Oh, I'm going to have to sacrifice it. This is a bummer. But we are trying to stay true to the what's what. I'll be able to use some of it. Oh, look at that cute little bird. So this is, and yes, guys, I have to cut this super slow because I am terrible at cutting. Yes, I am. So we've got that. Kind of telling the story of her adventure. So what else do we want to do? I need something. Let me look at my cardstock to give us a little bit more. Okay, I can do this. This cardstock is so cool that's in this kit. It has wood grain on it, and I think that is awesome considering, you know, the mountain hiking thing. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tear this bad boy in a couple sides. So you're going to be like, well, you're not tearing that much. My idea is I'm just going to cut it and have it kind of peek out so that my photo area thingy is showing up that much more. And the fact that I love this wood grain, I think it's amazing. I'm probably going to map my photo with some of the wood grain as well. So let's see. Oh, I tore that wonky. That's right. This does not bother me. The wonk is okay. So now we're going to do one of these. Give us a little bit more of a calm area. Calming it down a little bit. I mean, even my pattern that I love so much, or my cardstock has pattern. You know, what are you going to do? So we have that. I am thinking, I don't want the two yellows on the same side. Okay, and she would definitely have a coffee. Okay, perfect. Perfect. All right, we have that. Now what? We need a plan, guys. Let's look at title options as well. We have our chipboard phrases. Oh, this might be cool because it's totally vibing this color. So I think, was she in Estes Park on this one? Let's see. I'm going to come up with that idea because you guys don't need to hear like silence. So let me come up with my title, grab a few more embellishments out. I'll meet you right back here. I just went off, guys. So these 3 clusters that I started with these little squares, I went into our ephemera and I just started putting things next to them. Nothing is tacked down at all. I came up with this title, Happy Nature Girl. I thought that would be super cute. And these letters are totally vibing off of the cardstock. Now, I also have a frame and I want to turn that into a shaker pocket with our gorgeous little sparkly bits, our confetti. That is a custom mix for this. And I've got these flare. And I think they would be the thing that is going to set the rest of this off. So I've got that, and then I've got this. Ooh, I don't like, okay, she has a backpack on. That's super cute. I want to make sure that all of my pieces really show up as much as possible. The other thing I have is I've got this Outdoorsy stamp set, and I thought it would be super cute to get one hexie into each of these clusters as well. So I've got to make a shaker. I want to get these hexies going. Let me get my favorite little stamp block here. And I'm thinking because it's so busy, I will grab this hexie that has just the one line that's super bold. And I'm going to stamp that out a few times. And then you guys know to prime it. Since it's brand new, it needs love. Probably going to come in with like a brownish ink. And then the inside bits, let's see. Let's get lost together. That's cute. I like the floral, right? I like the cute bumblebee, not the angry looking waspy one for this. Is a little scary. Oh, but wait. We've got that little camera too, right? A camera, a floral, and then I have to pick. I don't know. But I'm going to get those pieces stamped on. I'm going to get this done. I will show you my little stamped images, and then I have to get everything tacked down, and we'll see where we stand. So basically, I've talked a whole lot, and I haven't done a whole lot, but you see kind of where this is heading. Yes, okay. Is there anything else I need to do? No, I kind of like where this is vibing. I might scuff up these 3 pieces because I have these scuffy edges right here, and so I need a little bit more scuff. So I just used that stamp, and guys, could it be any freaking cuter? And I went ahead and stamped it on the same paper because I'm all about this wood grain. I think it is the cutest. So I have that. Now, what else do we have? I have all of my flare. I've got these brads that really might give me a little zhuzh. What else am I looking at? Ooh, and I have this too. I've got some of the foamy stuff. What else am I looking at? I'm just making sure to look at everything, and then I'm going to sit down. Oh, I do have these pieces, but I don't want to bring in craft to compete with this paper right now. So let's see. This butterfly is just a lovely color match, and I do love that. So I'm going to just pop that underneath the title area. Not everything's going to be, you know, the perfect color match, but sometimes your girl can get lucky. So I'm going to go like that. Okay, let me get, oh no, oh no, oh no. Well, that's down. I have to figure out now how to get a little adhesive under this piece because little foamy guy decided he was going to be super adhesive. There we go. There we go. I want that butterfly to stick up a little bit though. And then, oh, I've got this one here that has this little camera on it. I like that, so I'm gonna just tuck that piece in right there for my hexie. And then the final one is this one right here. I can tuck that into this place so you can see a little bit of that cute ink work. Okay, now guys, I have some of the sequins. They're not even sequins. I've got some of these beautiful little sparkly bits here. I want to get them into my clusters, and I also have some of these gorgeous bits here. So let's see. Ooh, guys, this one right here with this terracotta color, it is gorgeous with this. I'm going to go ahead and pop that one there. Want to see, I mean, we've got a beautiful pink here, so we can try to get a little bit of pink down in here. And then what do we want to do over in this one? So I kind of put those there. We've got the stripe. You know what? It is totally picking up all of these colors. So I have one here. I have one here. Kind of need to get one like right about there. Perfect. Okay, guys, all I'm going to do now is get some of my sparkly bits on, and that will be it. So this is my finished layout. I will have still shots to follow. I'll have still shots to follow. I want to do a little bit of bendy stuff. And, oh, I will have links down below where you can get your hands on these kits, and I will also have the Facebook group link so you can come share what you've been doing with the kit, all of that kind of stuff. Okay, guys, I will see you guys ever so soon with another video, but I will have still shots to follow right there.